water scarcity is a business issue. The compounding impacts of decreasing availability and declining quality, if left unchecked, could have a dramatic impact on your ability to operate, grow, and generate profit. The Water Risk Monetizer is a first-of-its-kind, publicly available financial modeling tool to help businesses understand site-specific water risks and to take action to mitigate those risks. The Water Risk Monetizer quantifies the full value of water to a specific location based on basin-level quantity and quality considerations, taking into account tangible factors such as scarcity and impairments, as well as less tangible human, health, and environmental impacts of water use, showing the scale of risk compared to current water costs. It then assesses facilities based on risk level and provides directional guidance on how to approach water management in a way that not only encourages conservation, but also makes reuse an important and viable option. Here's how it works. New users need to create a profile. All profile information and facility data are private and secure and will not be sold, shared, or used by any other party. You can read the complete privacy policy for additional security information. Once you've created a profile, it's time to enter in facility data. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll play the role of a multinational beverage company. Let's start adding in the facility information. You'll notice there are required and optional fields. If you only complete the required fields, the tool will use industry average information to complete the calculations where site-specific information is not entered. This will still result in valuable, actionable information on site-level risks. Completing the optional fields will result in a more customized and robust risk assessment. Now that this form is completed, we can see the Water Risk Monetizer assessment for the facility entered or add more facilities. The tool immediately processes all the data and profiles at all facilities entered on the facilities dashboard. By default, facilities are sorted by greatest risk, but additional sort options are available. You can filter by country, label, folder, or risk magnitude. Let's briefly talk about folders and labels. Folders allow you to group facilities by any category you create. Some examples might be region, business unit, or facility type. Note, a facility can only belong to a single folder. Returning to the dashboard, we can examine each facility in greater detail by clicking on the View Risk Profile drop-down icon. The Water Risk Premium aggregates incoming and outgoing risks to provide a combined water risk premium. This represents the full value of water to the facility based on risk. The Total Water Risk tab shows the ratio of risk from incoming and outgoing water, as well as the ratio of impact stemming from water quality and quantity factors. The Incoming Water at Risk tab provides a monetary estimate of the potential increased operating costs resulting from incoming water quantity and quality risks. The Outgoing Water Risk tab provides a monetary estimate of the potential increased operating costs resulting from outgoing water quality risk. The final tab is Revenue at Risk. Revenue at Risk examines the amount of water your organization needs and compares it to the amount of water available and the number of people or businesses also consuming water from the same basin. If the use exceeds the appropriate proportion for the facility's size, business revenue is at risk. This is especially important for water-intensive industries, as competition for water likely increases the revenues at risk. We've seen how the dashboard delves into the details of the individual facility and provides a mechanism to rank each by risk. But there's another way to visualize the data. Over on the Risk Analysis tab, you can assess your enterprise risk profile based on 3-year projected output growth and location-specific water stress. This view allows you to quickly see the facilities which are at greatest risk. The analysis provides a way to prioritize action and gives directional guidance to inform appropriate risk mitigation strategies. Now it's time to share your findings with stakeholders within your organization. The Water Risk Monetizer gives the ability to generate a report, which can be downloaded as a CSV or PDF file. We all know water is an essential resource, not only in our lives, but also in business. The partners at Ecolab, Microsoft, and TrueCost encourage you to refer to the Water Risk Monetizer often to analyze risk, prioritize action, make the business case for water reduction strategies, and monitor progress to ensure business resilience in a water-constrained world.